Hey, fashion enthusiasts! Did you know that the average person only wears 20% of their wardrobe regularly? What if I told you that with a few clever design ideas, you could transform your closet into a functional, stylish space that makes getting dressed the best part of your day? Stick around, because today we're diving into some innovative wardrobe design ideas that will revolutionize the way you think about your clothes. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the latest in fashion tips, home decor, and lifestyle hacks. And today we're all about creating a wardrobe that not only looks amazing but also works for you. From space-saving hacks to personalized style tips, we've got it all covered. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about maximizing your space. Whether you have a walk-in closet or just a small wardrobe, these tips will help you make the most of every inch. Switch to slim, velvet hangers to save space and keep your clothes from slipping off. And don't forget about the power of vertical space. Use stackable boxes or hanging organizers to store accessories, shoes, and even off-season clothes. But what if I told you there's a way to make your closet look even more stylish? Let's talk about adding a personal touch. Your wardrobe should reflect your personal style. One way to do this is by incorporating open shelving for your favorite pieces. Display those stunning shoes or that statement handbag like the pieces of art they are. And here's a pro tip: color code your clothes. Not only does it look visually pleasing, but it also makes it easier to find what you're looking for. What's your favorite way to personalize your wardrobe? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your ideas. Now, let's tackle a common problem: keeping your wardrobe clutter-free. A cluttered wardrobe can be overwhelming, but decluttering doesn't have to be a daunting task. Start by categorizing your clothes into keep, donate, and toss piles. Ask yourself, have I worn this in the last year? If the answer is no, it's probably time to let it go. Keep your essentials within reach and consider seasonal rotations to keep your wardrobe manageable. Trust me, a clean, organized closet can make a huge difference in your daily routine. And there you have it, some simple yet effective wardrobe design ideas that can transform your closet into a stylish, functional space. Remember, a well-organized wardrobe can save you time and stress, and even inspire you to try new looks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might need a wardrobe makeover. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. And stay tuned for our next video where we'll be diving into the hottest summer fashion trends. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!